With a presence on every continent, Profibus and PROFINET International is the world's most influential interest group in the field of industrial communication. Currently, 27 regional PI associations, 50 competence centers, 27 training centers, 11 test labs, and more than 1,400 member companies are represented by this powerful organization. For more than 20 years, automation manufacturers from all over the world use this neutral platform to define future-proof technologies like PROFINET. The large number of manufacturers and products supporting PROFINET ensures long-term protection of investment. PROFINET is open, versatile, and safe. Due to its flexible and powerful specification, PROFINET fulfills the requirements even of the most complex and demanding markets.
PROFISAFE is a world-leading standard for fail-safe communications and allows safe applications to be inexpensively created in combination with PROFINET. Standard communications and safety-related communications are both achieved by using a single cable that significantly reduces wiring and engineering effort.
Conventional solutions for the integration of mobile equipment often entail wear and high costs. With PROFINET, contact lines and trailing cables have become a thing of the past. The seamless integration of industrial wireless LAN makes mobile real-time communication possible, even for fail-safe applications, and paves the way for new concepts.
During commissioning, maintenance, or in case of a fault, it is necessary to gain an overview of the state of the system or machinery within the shortest possible time. The consistent diagnostics of PROFINET make it possible to retrieve systems and machinery information in a quick and precise manner. This ensures high plant availability at all times.
PROFINET uniquely combines the highest performance with the highest degree of openness. It satisfies all performance requirements with cycle times up to 31.25 microseconds. In parallel, PROFINET allows the transfer of standard data. PROFINET thus provides the highest flexibility for future application requirements flawlessly and increases productivity.
In an increasing network automation environment, the importance of security is growing more and more. Suitable measures must be taken to protect machinery and systems. PI is making an important contribution by having devices undergo rigorous security testings during the certification process, for example.
PI has been the first organization to create a profile for energy management, PROFIEnergy, along with energy data acquisition. PROFIEnergy stands out by the possibility to easily shut down machinery and system parts during pauses in a controlled manner. This allows energy savings up to 80%.
PROFISAFE is proven and safe.
Wireless for more flexibility.
Reducing downtime up to 50%.
PROFINET, best in performance and best in speed.
Be secure with PROFINET.
PROFIEnergy, energy savings up to 80%.
The international network and the experience of PI are unique. They provide our member companies with a significant competitive advantage.